Hello students, this video exclusive for NEET Physics, particularly those who are appearing for 2020 exam. Last 2 months we received more than 250 calls exclusive for short-term physics course, but not possible to give admission for all. We gave only for 32 students. The reason for this number of calls only because of our top mark in 2019 NEET Physics. Our top mark is 168 and state rank is 153. She joined MMC Chennai. We discussed almost 80% of the students. What is the reason they are looking for this short-term course? Because most of the students not confident in their physics preparation. Other than those 32 students, we are providing assistance through WhatsApp. But this video is useful for all over India. That's why we are recording this video in English. In this video, we analyze last 8 years NEET paper based on last 8 years. What are the important topics for final revision? If you concentrate more on these topics, definitely you will get very good mark and you will get confidence. Better you watch this video at least twice, and whatever the important topic we mentioned in that each and every chapter, if you revise more number of times, you will get confidence and you will get good mark. Better you allot 3 days for physics. Follow our tips. After that, if you write full test, definitely your physics mark will improve. Okay. Watch this video till the end. If you like this video, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel Marvel Educare. And don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get all useful videos from Marvel Educare. Thank you. Hello students. Now I am going to give important topics based on last 8 years NEET papers from each and every chapter of 11th standard physics. This important topic tips based on last 8 years NEET papers. We will discuss chapter wise and important topic wise. In this chapter, physical world, units and measurements, last 8 years 12 questions are asked. So you can expect one question from this chapter. The first three topics are very important. So 9 questions from last 8 years, and last 2 topic 3 questions. Very important. This is the fundamental for all other chapters. So please concentrate more on this chapter even though it has only one question. Okay. So it will be useful for other chapters. So you can expect one question from this chapter. Next we'll move to next second chapter, motion in a straight line. So you can expect one question from this chapter, and total number of questions from last 8 years is 10. The maximum weightage topic is first 2, 6 questions from first 2 topics and 4 questions from the remaining topics. So you can expect one question from this chapter, motion in a straight line. The first 2 topics are very important. Third chapter, motion in a plane. So you can expect 1 or 2 questions and 19 questions from last 8 years. So you can expect either 1 or 2 questions. The maximum number of questions repeated is first 3 topics. So around 15 questions from first 3 topics and only 4 questions from the last 4 topics. So to get 8 marks, so concentrate all the 7 topics, particularly first 3 topics are very important. So next, laws of motion. Last 8 years 23 questions. Total number of questions asked is 23 questions, and you can expect 2 or 1. You can expect 2 or 1. But here the maximum question repeated from the first topic 6 times. First 2 11 times. First 2 topics 11 times. The next 3 topics 10 questions from next 3 topics, and last 2 questions from last 2 topic. So you can expect either 2 questions or 1 question from laws of motion, but maximum important questions from first 5 topics. Okay, first 5 topics. Next we'll move to 5th chapter, work, energy, power. One of the maximum weightage chapter in 11th physics, work, energy, power. Either 2 or 3 questions, and last 8 years 28 questions. Total number of questions is 28, in which the maximum number of time question asked from the first topic 10, and the next 2 topics 9. Next 3 topics 6 question, and last 3 topics 3 question. See, If you are strong in first 6 topics, you will attend minimum 2 questions or maximum 3 questions. So concentrate all the 9 topics to get 12 marks from work energy power chapter. Next chapter, another very important chapter and maximum weightage chapter is system of particles and rotational motion. Last 8 years total number of questions is 41. You can expect either 3 or 4 questions. And the most important chapter topic is first one, and 12 questions only from this, and second topic 7 questions from last 8 years. Next 16 questions from the next 4 topics and 6 questions from last 5 topics. Now if you are strong in first 6 topics, you will get minimum 2, maximum 3. But if you are strong in all the 11 topics, you will get either 3 or 4 questions. So you will get either 9 or 12 marks from system of particles and rotational motion. So next chapter, gravitation. You can expect 2 questions from this chapter, and total number of questions from the last 8 years is 26. The first 2 topics is very, very important. So total number of questions is 9, and next 3 topics 9 questions, and the remaining topics 8 questions. So first 5 topics is very, very important, and if you are strong in all the 10 topics, you will get 8 marks. Next chapter, chapter 8, mechanical properties of solid. This important topic based only on last 8 years paper, not based on last 32 years paper. Last 8 years paper, only this, from this topic question is asked, and only 5 questions from this elastic moduli. So you can expect either 0 or 1 question from mechanical properties of solids. And next chapter, mechanical properties of fluids. You can expect only 1 question from this topic chapter, and total number of questions asked is 12, and the first 2 topic 8 questions, and next 3 topics 4 questions. First, if you are strong in first 2 topics, you will get 1 question, but if you are strong in all the 5 topics, definitely you will get 8 marks. Next, thermal properties of matter, another important chapter, 25 questions from last 8 years, and you can expect either 1 or 2 questions. The first topic is most important topic is heat transfers, 12 questions from this topic, and from these topics 11 questions, and last 2 topic 2 questions. So concentrate first 6 topics. First topic is 100% important. Okay, to get 8 marks, concentrate all the 8 topics. And 11th chapter, thermodynamics. Another important chapter and maximum weightage chapter is thermodynamics. Last 8 years total number of questions is 24. You can expect either 2 or 3. The first topics and maximum important weightage is thermodynamic, 9 questions from this topic, and next 2 topics 8 questions, and the remaining topics 7 questions. So concentrate first 3 and then all the 6. You will get either 8 marks or 12 marks. Next, kinetic theory. Only 1 question from this chapter. 9 questions from 8 years. The maximum important chapter topic is first 3, and 7 questions from first 3 and 2 questions from the next 2 topics. So kinetic theory, you will get, if you are strong in 5 topics, you will get 4 marks. And next chapter, oscillation. Last 8 years total number of questions is 13, and you can expect 1 question from this topic, and maximum important questions from repeated topic is first one, and 6 questions from first topic, and remaining topic 7. So concentrate all the 4 topics to get 4 marks. And last chapter in 11th standard physics, waves. Another important and maximum weightage topic, 26 questions from 8 years. 26 questions from 8 years, you can expect either 2 or 3 questions. First 2 topics most important, you can expect 11 questions, and next 3 topics, next 4 topics 13 questions, and last topic 2 questions. So concentrate first 5 topics, first 6 topics to get 2 questions. That is, you will get either 8 marks or 12 marks if you are strong in all the 7 topics. If you watch this video at least twice and follow my tips based on the maximum important topics, first focus more on maximum weightage chapter and then less weightage chapter. So you will get from 11th standard physics, you will get around 21 to 25 questions. Definitely you will get 15 to 20 questions, you will get correct answer. So next video, we will discuss 12th standard physics topic in each chapter wise. Thank you.